Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you a new feature which I got when I updated my system or my MacBook. Here I am using right now this MacBook Venture 13.1. okay, so MacBook OS Venture 13.1 this is. So I got a new feature here which is Stage Manager. Okay, now when you click on this control center, here you will see Stage Manager option. Okay, so you have to turn it on. So when you turn on this and how to use it, what is the use of this feature Stage Manager, so I am going to show you. So when I open any app, like I open Safari. Okay, now after that I want to open photos. Okay, so you will see that Safari is here. Now I want to open this email. Okay, so like this you can use this feature. Okay, and other feature is, so like this you can focus on apps which you want to use while using other apps. Okay, so like if you want to use Safari and Chrome browser like this, so you can do this to just click on that app and it will come on front. So like this you can use Stage Manager. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.